The song Great Speckled Bird is taken from Jeremiah chapter 12, verse 9. My heritage is unto me as a speckled bird. The birds round about are against her. Come ye assemble, all the beasts of the field, come to devour. So it's anyway, Jeremiah 12:9. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning a great speckled bird. Remembering her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. All the other birds are flocking round her, and she is despised by the squad. But the great speckled bird in the Bible is one with the great church of God. All the other churches are against her. They envy her glory and fame. They hate her because she is chosen and has not denied God's name. Desiring to lower her standards, they watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. She is spreading her wings for a journey. She's going to leave by and by. When the trumpet shall sound in the morning, she'll rise and go up in the sky. I am glad I have learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name's in her book, for I want to be one never fearing the face of my Savior to look. When he cometh descending from heaven on the clouds that he writes in his word, I'll be faithfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird. I'll be joyfully